This video was unexpected, but I made a video earlier than Sunday because I knew you guys would want to see this. I've made a new kind of spring for the door, but this is not exactly like a torsion spring or Torquemaster, because on a real garage door spring, the cable starts at the bottom of the door. And for this one, the cable starts at the top of it. And let's do a demonstration of it running. To open it, we spin the wheel. And if we spin the wheel to close it, the cable will, here's what the cable will do. Yeah, see, it just becomes closer. Let's close it, and let's close it fast. Let's do one more run and that will be it. Oh, I sneezed. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check back tomorrow or sometime later today for my next video. Tomorrow there's for sure going to be an update video on the 8355 in series because something's going to change on them. And the last thing I want to talk about for videos today, I might do a video of my neighbor's garage door and opener. So leave a comment if you liked the video, leave a like, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Have a great day.